Good morning, my lovely class, grade 3. I'm Miss Maha, science and math teacher, Jalam Private School. Welcome back to our math online session. Today, let's learn fractions. Fractions 1, 2, 3. Be ready? Yes. Let's start our lesson today. I have here whole pizza, donuts. Yes, and I want to eat some of them. Yes, some pieces of them is missing. So I have here half. In the bottom I can call this denominator and the top numerator. Yes, we took this before. And this whole pizza. And usually we cut this in 8 pieces. So 8 is denominator and 1 is numerator. Bravo! Excellent, students. So when you eat 1 piece, 2 piece, so the number change here is numerator because the total is denominator. Yes, I have here 2 over 8. Yes, this is whole one, another one, and I cut this to 6 pieces. In the denominator, I will write number 6. Excellent, students. Numerator, I have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sixes. Yes, or 4 over 6. Here, donut. Yeah, it's delicious. I love it. I want to eat half. So I will write here 1 over 2 or 1 half. So 1 here is numerator and 2 here is denominator. Yes, we know this. I know all of you smart students and I want you to write this in your copybook and send your activity at WhatsApp. Yes, grade 3, my lovely class, Miss Maha loves all of you. Yeah, now we'll take together equivalent fraction. This is topic and this is explanation. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that have the same value but different numbers. Example with drawing. Yes, I have here circle and yes, I draw line in the center or in the middle. So here I draw and color it become half. So the next circle I see I cut this in 8 pieces. So it become in numerator 4 and denominator is become 8. So 1 over 2 equal 4 over 8. Yes. And another circle I can see here 2 over 4 equal, excellent, equal half. You can draw and color this in your copybook. Examples without drawing. 3 over 4 equal. Can you make equivalent fraction? Yes, miss. 4 become 2, 8. I must multiply by 2 in the denominator and multiply by 2 in the numerator. So here 2 times 3 and 7 times 3. 2 over 7 equals 6 over 21. 6 over 8 I will divide 2 to simplify the fraction. So 6 over 8 equals 3 over 4. Yes, and 7 over 21 equal, I want to simplify the fraction, so divide by 7. 7 divided 7 equal 1. 21 divided 7 equals 3. So 7 over 21 equal 1 over 3. Write this please in your copybook. We took this before in our class. Yes, I know you remember. Missing number. 2 over 8 equal missing number over 16. So 8 becomes 16. It becomes bigger number. So multiply. Yes, multiplication or division. Yes, miss, multiplication. So 8 multiple 2 equals 16. Yes, and here 1 over 5 equal 3 over, I don't know, so you must multiply by 3 and multiply by 3 in the numerator and the denominator. So become 1 over 5 equals 3 over 15, 6 over 18 equal 1 over 3, because we divide by 6, and 5 over 15 become 1 over 3 because we divide by 5. Stop the video and try to solve this with yourself and send me at WhatsApp. Yes, this is very important equivalent fraction. For you, you must do it with yourself. Missing number. Try to solve this with yourself. And check your answer in this video. Okay? Your turn to practice. I want you to do this with yourself because the next is video, amazing video for you. Listen to your music. Enjoy
Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Half a pie, half a tree. Halves of different things are different sizes, you see. But a half is a half, big or small. It takes two halves to make one whole.
Fractions are equal-sized parts of a whole. When it comes to halves, there are two equal-sized parts that make up one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
1/2, 1/3.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a square. Fractions, fractions, they're right here. Tells how many parts there are. Tells how many parts you got. When you have parts, parts of the whole. Fractions, fractions, what you need to know. 1/3 of a pie, 1/3 of a bar. Thirds of different things are different sizes by far. But a third is a third, big or small. It takes 3/3 to make one whole.
It takes 3/3 to make one whole. 1/3, then 2/3, and 3/3. That's one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
2/3, 3/4.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Numerator never under on the top.
And U for never
D
under.
for denominator's always down.
D for down.
Numerator up, denominator down. Fractions, fractions are all around. Quarter circle, quarter square. 1/4 plus 3/4 makes one whole right here. And a quarter is a quarter, big or small. It takes 4/4 to make one whole.
Try to say these fractions.
1/4, 3/4, 6/8, 15/16.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright.